Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, How I Tune My Guitar by Ear. Most of the time, I use an electronic tuner to tune my guitar, but every now and then there's that rare occasion when I don't have a tuner around, and I want to get my guitar in tune so I can jam a little bit. So what I've done is I've purposely taken my guitar out of tune, and I'm tuning to standard tuning, which is E, A, D, G, B, E. Now, I do not have perfect pitch. When a person has perfect pitch, they can hear a note and tell you exactly what that note is. I have only known a couple of people in my entire life that can do that. What I have is called relative pitch. That means that I can hear a note and relate it to another note. In order to get this guitar in tune, what I need is a point of reference. I'm going to start with an E note. I'm going to go to the piano, which is behind me here, and play an E note. Then I'll try to match the E string to that note. That's pretty close. Okay, so I'm going to take that E note, then go to the high E string and try to play an octave on it. That's pretty close. Now that we have an E, I'm going to go to the 5th fret on the E string, play a note there, and match the A string to that. This note is an A at the 5th fret on the low E string. We're going to try to play an A on the A string. I think that's pretty close. Now we'll go to the A string to the 5th fret and play a D note and try to match the D string to that. That's close. We'll go to the 5th fret on the D string and we have a G, and we'll try to match the G string to that. Now we should always tune up, so if we go too high, we go back down and go back up to pitch. That's pretty close. Now we'll have to go to a B note here on the G string at the 4th fret and match the B string to that. Next, we'll go to the 5th fret on the B string and match the high E string to that and see how close it came. Now let's go back and check everything to see where we are. We'll go to the 5th fret on the low E string. Then we'll go to the 5th fret on the A string. Let's make an adjustment there. Okay. We'll go to the D string, 5th fret. We'll go to the G string, 4th fret. And then to the 5th fret on the B string. I think we're pretty close. Let's see what it sounds like if we play a G chord. That's not too bad. That's Now let's play along with a backing track and see if this sounds okay now that we've ear-tuned the guitar. Well, alright, that's how I tune my guitar when I don't have a tuner handy. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.